First up, click the New Analysis button to start identifying spare parts. Following this, click the Start Analyzing Parts button to begin identification. Next up, click the Image Only option to upload a photo for automatic part identification. Afterwards, click the Choose File button to select an image for parts identification. Following this, click the Continue button to proceed with your part identification analysis. Now, click the Start Analysis button to initiate the AI research and identification process. After that, click the Part Analysis card to view detailed identification results and progress. From here, click to expand details and view more information about the identification. Following that, click the Maybe Later button to defer the app installation. Now, view the timestamp of your analysis to track when this identification was completed. Next, click the View button to examine the detailed analysis results of this part identification. Afterwards, click on the Full Analysis section to view detailed technical specifications and part information. Next, click the website link to visit Mazda Parts' online official supplier page. Then, review the Power Capacity Rating field, which displays NA for this specification. Now click on the Power Capacity Rating field to review the specification's details. Afterwards, click on the user email address to copy or view contact information details. Now click the Download PDF button to export the analysis results as a PDF file. Following this, click the Close button to exit the Analysis Results dialog. Afterwards, click on the stars to rate your overall experience with this analysis tool. Next up, select the Accuracy aspect to rate your analysis experience and provide feedback. From here, select Supplier Information to specify which aspect you are reviewing. Next, enter your feedback in the text field to share your experience with the analysis. To end, click Submit Review to send your feedback and complete the rating.